first, subscribe to my channel before we get started. Hit that bell, turn on notifications, put a huge thumbs up. We're having the best time with Dad. We don't even miss you!
Not one bit. Who's the best parent?
Dad.
Good job, kids. Way to play. We can buy love.
It's raining, it's pouring. Oh man, it's snoring. That's where we would sit. Easy. I don't actually know what's at the end of this, but I saw these cool arches and I wanted to see them. Those are neat looking. That's quite the view up here. Oh, is right. See all the way to the sea. You can't fathom the actual height of that. Wow. Do not touch the marble. It would definitely ruin it. Look at me. How they repaired things. Ooh. Holy.
Oh boy.
Kirsty, you afraid of heights?
I have not had that happen in a while. Whoa, hi.
It's way up here, isn't it? Like, whoa. That's a little, We're just a little high.
Ouais. Tout, il y a un théâtre antique.
These things they brought up. Everything's on wood.
I don't know.
Catalog this maybe.
This is part of the catalog or the free fall stuff that they're trying to put back in there. I don't even know if I can get the whole thing in there. Oh, my arm's not long enough. Close, huh? Do you have any deep, profound thoughts about this?
Wow.
That was your deep, profound thought. Wow. I like it. But look at this wall, like it's like buckling. Oh, the kitty got the bird. Good kitty. Natural instincts there. Playing with it.
Oh my gosh.
Nice visit.
We're the weird tourists that are videoing a cat playing with a bird.
Oh, that will be my kid's highlight video when I show
Right?
them
Oh, look, it's playing with it again. Wow, look at those columns. That's insane.
Some people they say me exactly
They have a rooftop view of the Acropolis up there. Just the cutest little shops. Let's go up there. Let's go up there. Look at all this graffiti. It's awful. People of Greece, stop graffitiing your city. Now. Oh, that's it. A vine. Right? Yeah, some quality and some meaning. It's a church. Look how pretty it is. Do you hear the Christy, say hi. Hi! Hello, people out there of the world. Do that again. That's going in the video. Oh my god. Make it the island in the kitchen. With a marble countertop. It was probably a fountain, because yes, it's a trough. This kind of has to be the end of my videoing for the day because the battery's gonna die. I did not bring a backup camera battery, so this may be the end. I don't know. It's a very good question. How do you restore all this? I mean, that was a cat. What do the cats sound like? Cats sound like that in Saudi when they're fighting. Sound like a baby crying. Is that stone up there? That's stone. That's not wood.
I mean, this is like a channel. Is this where they heated the water?
Oh, could be.
And it came out and it spread different directions?
Huh. That would make sense.